Good evening, friends. Welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. It's easy to make money provided you watch the video, you listen to it, you try to understand and follow it. My friends and followers who have followed it have come back to me saying that, this has been great help. Not too many, but 5 or 6 of them have made at least 5 to 10 lakh rupees in last 6 months. But then they have been good students. You see, as they say, you can only take a horse to the water. You can't drink it too. Sorry to be rude, but I can only tell you my vision is to make millions of retailers profitable. I am privy to the fact that as of now, 90% of the retailers are either not making profit or their profit is much lower than the prevailing interest rate. What's the sense? Whereas I can help you make big profit. I have used it. I have taught hundreds of students. I am teaching even now dozens of students every day, and the ones who have learned, ones who have followed, have made big money. It's not very difficult to make money. It's easy to make money, but then provided you learn it. To learn, all that I can do is tell you, come to me, I will teach you. Because you see, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of people who claim to teach you about the market. And they are good at it. They really teach you a lot about the market. But at the end of the day, you are not in the market to know about the market, to learn about the market. You are in the market to make money. The difference between most of those people and myself is I don't teach much about the market. I don't go into the details about the market. I only teach you how to make money. But then that is what we are here for, to make money. So friends, if you are interested in making money, come to me. I will teach you how to make money. And when I say I will teach you how to make money, it is foolproof. It is guaranteed. I have backtested the indicators that I'm using. I'm using them for years together, and I can vouch for its success. But then all this is possible provided you come to me, provided you want to learn. It is not possible for me to come after you. I am not here to advertise, publicize, increase my market size, etc., etc. I am not. I am a 70-plus-year-old man, and my only intention is to transfer the knowledge, to achieve the proper results. To achieve the proper results, we need to follow the proper indicators, and that is what I will teach you. And mind you, teaching those things is not possible in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes videos. It takes few hours, probably few dozen, few scores, and in some cases, few hundred hours. I don't mind spending all those things, irrespective of which level you belong to. I can go down to that level or rise up to that level and try to explain, if not teach, the intricacies of these indicators and how to use them, when to use them. If you want to learn, feel free to call me. I shall be happy to assist you. Now, before going ahead with other things, I would like to tell you, in June, when Nifty made its low of 15,000 and odd, June 19th or so, and within a week, when indicators pointed out that it is going to rise, I am on record saying that people should go long, and I gave a long list of more than 25 shares and promised that if they do that, within next 3 to 6 months, they would be able to make a decent 15 to 20% profit. And that turned out to be true. Mind you, there is nothing, I am not trying to boast that I did that. No, I did not do that. What I'm telling you is the indicators tell us in advance. Only thing is we need to learn how to learn about those indicators, how to follow those indicators, when to use those indicators. That's what I'm telling you. So if you want to, you can come back to me. And okay, 4 days ago on Monday night, I told that in my humble opinion, Tuesday's low could be the bottom for the time being. And the way you would have it, it has turned out to be true as of now. So my friends, without much ado, let me present you with today's charts. As I told you, all of us are here in this market to make profit. I can try to tell you or teach you how to make money, but only you can decide to follow it and be a millionaire, because finally you need to execute it. I'm not a tipster. I don't give tips. I don't operate your account. I don't do any such things. You need to execute your. I will. My favorite dialogue is I don't distribute fish. I teach how to do fishing. Yes, I will teach you which indicators to be used. I will teach you about the indicators. I will make you good in making profit. I will teach you how to make profit if you come to me. That's it. If you expect me to come to you, no sir, that is not possible, because I am not after million viewers. I am not after marketing. I am not after money. I am only trying to pass on the knowledge. What you see here is just a small but important part of various tools and indicators that we can use to make profit, to make big profit. So without much ado, let us start looking at. I'm sorry, the charts today look a little blurred because I have learnt in the recent past many people have copied without my permission the charts and tried to present it as if their own. So I had to use the watermark behind the charts. That's why it's a little hazy. But then I think it's clear enough for us to see. So this is as usual pivot point, support and resistance levels of all Nifty 50 stocks for 6th March 2023 from Adani Enterprises to Coal India. This is next one, Divis Lab to IndusInd Bank. Third one is Infosys to Reliance, and last one SBI Life to Bank Nifty. That is SBI Life to Wipro, and Nifty and Bank Nifty are in this included. Then next one, we are talking of important indicators of Nifty 50 index for past 4 weeks and how they look. See, they were completely in red for last 8-10 days, and slowly today one small green we have been able to see. But mind you, I'm not trying to blow my own trumpet. If you want, you can open and see the Monday and Tuesday's videos. I have told at that time that today and tomorrow's lows could be the low for the time being, and this is probably marketed from the bottom. So it is known to everyone that if you know what to read in the indicators, what you want to read in the various tools. So that's it. It's up to us whether we are ready to study them or not. So this is the Nifty index indicators chart for last 4 weeks. This is the same thing for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty's chart, indicator chart for past 4 weeks. And this is option chain for Nifty, and this is the option chain for Bank Nifty. These are the tools that we can use for making money. If you have any difficulty in interpreting them, reading them, or analyzing or studying them, get back to me. I shall be only pleased to assist you. Before I say au revoir, let me once again remind you, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.